Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with E-Trade for retirement accounts step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the E-Trade website. Locate the Open an Account button, usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the button to get started. Select Retirement Accounts from the options presented. Choose the type of retirement account you wish to open, such as an IRA or a solo 401k. Click on the selected account for more details. Review the information and click on the Apply Now button. You will be prompted to create an account if you do not have one. Enter your email address and create a password for your new account. Follow the instructions to verify your email if prompted. Once logged in, fill out the required personal information, including your name and address. Provide your social security number for identity verification. Complete the financial information section, which may ask about your employment status and annual income. Choose your investment preferences to help define your retirement strategy. Review the account disclosures and agreements provided by E-Trade. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Submit button to finalize your application. Wait for a confirmation email regarding your application status. If approved, log back into your E-Trade account. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with investment options and account features. Set up your initial funding by linking a bank account for transfers. Review and confirm your retirement account setup. Now you are ready to start managing your retirement account with E-Trade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.